Yeah, let's go. Next second. On Instagram, I haven't posted it, but if you go to... What's up? How's it going? Alright, so I am going to watch the season 6 finale of Miraculous right now. So, yeah. That's probably copyright, so you can't really see me while I'm doing it. I will attempt to record a reaction of it, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna record a reaction because 1, it's Miraculous, and 2, Miraculous isn't fond of me. Like, I've done a few reactions and they've all got copyrighted. So, yeah. Let's go. What was that episode? I am genuinely in shock. So now I'm gonna just chill and play Minecraft. So yeah, maybe we should turn on the lights.
Hey Siri, turn
on the lights. Yeah, let's go. Okay, next segment. So I've been in the process of making a Monopoly, like custom Monopoly, but the problem is that it won't, like, I'm trying to print the Monopoly like money, but blank, like no Monopoly. But it's not really working. So let me see. Eight and a half by 11, correct. And then we gotta copy this. Do this. Yeah, I think we're good. Next segment. Alright, so it's been over 3 hours and I've been working on this novel board. I think I've done all this. Oh yeah. Let's go. So I'm going to ikea, so let's go. So now I'm in ikea, which it's pretty empty on this side. Ahead of me it's a lot of people, but right now I'm just getting stuff. Currently I've only got one thing. I think you guys can see. That's all I got, so let's go. And also, if you want to see the vlog of me in here, on Instagram I haven't posted it, but if you go to my YouTube channel, click on this exact video, and then check the link in the description, and then you might see it. If not, I'll put it in the link tree for a day or 2. Yeah, so, let's go. Alright, so I came out of ikea, and I just ate, so now, I think I'm going home? Yeah, I am going home for sure. And then we'll end the vlog at home. Because I'm not ending a vlog in a car. I'm not like that. Yeah. Yeah. Off to home. Alright, so I just came home a little bit while ago. And in the instant I came, I went to take a shower and my nose started bleeding. And like, literally my nose went like, there was blood going like this. It was like blood mustache. You do not know how I felt. So, I'm gonna go to bed now. I'll probably... If I don't vlog tomorrow, you'll know why. If I don't do vlog tomorrow, then you'll know why. Anyway, I decided that I'm gonna just put the link to the IKEA vlog for one day in the link tree. I'm not gonna put it in the description of the YouTube video. I'm just gonna put it in the link tree. Okay. See you guys later.